Well, hey, sports card fans. This is Mary with Rocky Roost Sports Cards and Box Breaks. We are here with the 2024 Topps Series 1 and 2. Doing the break tonight for both. Well, hey, David. Welcome. Which teams are you looking forward to tonight? Give them a little minute for people to join. See what's up. Hey, Blaze Orange. What's up? Thank you for joining. Is there a team you're looking forward to tonight? Or a couple of teams? You got the Brewers? Nice. Nice. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Got a couple folks here already. There we go. Let's go. We'll start with Series 1. We do have both Series 1 and 2 for Topps 2024. Braves? Nice. That's a good pickup. Braves, Brewers, I love it. And if you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm with Rocky Roost Sports Cards and Box Breaks. I handle our box breaks. And we have a couple other people that handle our singles. I typically handle all of our shipping. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message on eBay or Instagram. Always happy to answer those. And if you're on YouTube later, give us a like or a subscribe. That really helps us out to grow as a channel and as a breaker. eBay does have sweepstakes that they do every month. You can, no purchase necessary to enter to win. You can find the link for those sweepstakes in every single box break that we list. The current one will end July 31st. All right, we've emptied our box. We've got our little sparkle pack in the back. Let's go. Looking for some memorabilia, some signatures. I probably won't talk about every single card, but I'll do as many as possible. Let's start off with Brandon Marsh, Christopher Morel, Future Stars, Dalton Varsho, Dominic Canzone, Brendan Donovan, Red Sox Nick Robertson, rookie. Jeez, what an awful song that they're playing right now. Correa Shower for the Twins, Guardians, White Sox. It looks like we've got a gold back here. For the Braves, Ronald Acuna. This will be numbered to 2024, so it's 627 out of 2024. What's up, man? We got our first number card in our first pack. It's kind of nice. And for the Braves. Wow. Fernando Tatis. Marco Luciano for the Giants rookie. Matt Manning. Mitch Keller for the Pirates. Hunter Brown, Future Stars. Gleyber Torres, Yankees. Diamondbacks, Desert Dance-Off. Seiya Suzuki, Matsutaka Yoshida for the Red Sox. He had a killer night the other night. Joe Adele and Jose Quintana. What team you got, X-Men? Corbin Carroll, Chris Taylor, Nathan Lowe, Victor Metaros, Angels rookie, Nestor Cortez. All right, we got more people joining. Hey, Funkle. National League leaders insert. David Bernard. Anthony Volpe for Future Stars. Diaz. White Sox. Frank Thomas on the throwback insert. Alec Bohm for the Phillies. And New York Power with Aaron Judge. Andrew Abbott for the Reds, rookie. Tyler Anderson, Angels. The Royals, Cole Ruggins. Bentantani, Suarez. Logan Hope with the Future Stars. Anthony Rizzo, Yankees. American League leaders. All right. Got our home run challenge for Henry Davis of the Pirates. Austin Gomber for Rockies. Where did that come from? Gavin Williams, Guardians. Pete Alonso. Bobby Witt Jr. Jacob Amaya, rookie for the Marlins. Padres, team photo. Cubs, Padres. Sal Frelick for the Brewers, rookie. King Griffey on the insert. Aaron Judge for the 3 home run game. He's had a couple of those this season. Jose Ramirez. And for the Pirates, we got O'Neal Cruz on the vertical. Bethencourt. Brendan White for the Tigers. Thomas Tolman. Elites of the game. Braves team photo. Orioles. Alex Kirilloff. Our Grand Gamers. Christian Mathewson. Giants. Mariners. And Emerson Hancock, Mariners rookie. Orioles. Will Castro on the Twins. Camilo Duvall. Brian Wu for the Mariners. Tigers, Miguel Cabrera. Logan Webb. Johan Rojas, Phillies. Bobby Miller, Future Stars. And the Rockies, Justin Lawrence. Welcome, Furl. Mac Muncy. Jacob deGrom. Royals, we got Alec Marsh. Joey Votto. Rowdy Tellez on the Brewers. Luis Matos for the Giants. Blue Jays, David Schneider. There's probably a rainbow foil for the Braves, Max Fried. Jordan Alvarez and Lars Nootbaar to finish off that pack. Zach Wheeler. Gabriel Moreno, Future Stars. Chris Brandt. Hae-Sung Kim. Andy Ibanez. Luis Castillo. Evan Longoria. Brisetta Grataro. Avalati. Matt Olson on the throwback. Jose Soriano for the Angels. Alex Diaz for the Reds to finish us off. All right, starting off with the Red Sox rookie, Ceddanne Rafaela. Jonathan India, another Reds. Bryson Stott. Grayson Rodriguez, Future Stars. Ryan Presley. Curtis Mead for the Raids. Crawford. Luken Baker for the Cardinals. Ronnie Mauricio for the Mets. Jordan Westburg starts us off in this pack for the Orioles. Nice rookie. Edward Rodriguez, Tigers. Tyler Soderstrom for the Athletics. Red Sox, Joe Jacques. Must be French. Blue Jays, Vladimir Guerrero. Nationals, Jose Ferrer. Mike Moniak. Oh. Dodgers, Walker Buehler. We have the Twins, Jordan Balazovic on the top throwback. It is numbered 91 out of 99. It's a really nice card. I love the feel of these because it has that old school cardboard feel. All right. Throwback rookie. Moving on. Bo Naylor on the Future Stars. Chris Bryant starts us off with this pack. Hae-Sung Kim. Orioles, Jordan Westburg. Evan Carter for the Rangers. Harris. We got the Brewers, Freddie Peralta. George Springer. Diamondbacks, Justin Martinez. Orioles, Felix Bautista. Grand Gamers, Roberto Clemente for the Pirates. Blue Jays. And Jose Furman for the Cardinals. Rookie in that pack. Anybody have a favorite card that they've come across out of the top series before? Let me know. Love to hear about it. I'm trying to think my favorite card that I've pulled, and my mind has gone blank on that. Brian De La Cruz. Michael Harris for the Braves. Freddie Peralta. Don't think so for Topps MLB? Okay. Yeah, I don't think, my mind has just gone blank. I've opened so many of these. I've had a couple of really good signature cards from the series. You got the Reds, Christian Arnacio Strand, Flommers. Oh, here we go. Speaking of signatures, Emerson Hancock for the Mariners on card auto. And the 35th anniversary. Topps gold frame was cool. Yeah, definitely a cool card. And our first auto of the night for the Mariners. I'm going to get a yellow stand since, you know, on the throwback. And the Royals will wrap that pack up. Actually have 7 packs to go. So we still have a lot of cards to go through. And then also our Sparkle pack, and then Topps Series 2. Daniel Bard. Trent Grisham. Pirates, Henry Davis, rookie. Brady Singer. Tyler Glasnow. Samad Taylor for the Royals. Ardonis Rangers. Red Sox, Brandon Walter. Manuel Valdez. Shohei Ohtani on the Mashes Grand Slam for the Angels. Not in his new uniform. Masataka Yoshida for the Red Sox. Matt Wallner is going to wrap that pack up. Eduardo Rodriguez. Garcia. Tyler Soderstrom, Athletics. Daniel Bard. Gavin Biggio. Zach Remillard for the White Sox. We got the Boston Red Sox team photo. Royals, George Brett on the 35th anniversary, Aaron Caval. And the Blue Jays, Spencer Horwitz. You screamed when you pulled a Connor Bedard rookie? That's kind of cool. I don't know if I actually screamed when I pulled a card. Justin Steele. Maybe I did, and I just don't realize it. A National League Leaders insert. Rays team photo. Zach Gallen. Johan Perez. Diaz. The Twins, Jordan Balazovic. Nationals. And Tigers team photo to wrap up that pack. Alright, we got 4 packs left of Series 1. Base Upper Deck. That's pretty cool. I actually haven't opened any of the Upper Deck products. Do you have one you recommend? Henry Davis for the Pirates. Justin Steele. Clark Schmidt. Detmers. Keller. Ramirez. Verdugo. Nemo. Oh. I think we have another rainbow foil, maybe? Oh, it's stuck. Brandon Woodruff for the Brewers on the rainbow foil. It's pretty. Yankees, Aaron Judge. Rick on the NHL was pretty trash. I think Bedard was the only one that was any good out of that, right? That's what I heard anyway. Brandon Marsh. Future Stars, Christopher Morel. Varsho. Matt Waldron. Braves. Pivetta. Palacio. American League leaders insert. Luis Arez. Max Fried. And Brandon Woodruff for the Brewers. 2 more. I actually have 2 more of the Bowman MLB 2024. Look for those to be up. National League leaders, Rays, team photo, Hunter Green, Grant Hartwig for the Mets, Julio Rodriguez, Mauricio, yeah. National League leaders, Yankees team photo. Yeah, I hope that you enjoy these breaks and that you'll join us again next time. Derek Jeter on the blueprint. That's kind of nice for the Yankees. Keaton Winn, rookie for the Twins. All right, last pack for Series 1. Then the Sparkle or the Mojo. We may get something good in the Mojo pack. Canzone, Corbin Carroll, Dodgers, Nathaniel Lowe, Brewers, Willie Adams, Trey Cabbage for the Angels, Marlins team photo, Luis Robert, White Sox, Brent Rooker, Stone Garrett, and Cade Marlowe is our last rookie out of the packs. All right, now we got our little Mojo pack. Good luck, everybody. If you don't get it this time around, we may have another. Well, we will have another. All right. For the Brewers, we got Sal Frelick. Hey, GC. I love this card. This is beautiful. I love pulling a rookie on the Mojos. Mark McGwire for the Athletics. Shohei Ohtani, Angels. Cubs, Ryan Sandberg, and then just a little collector card. Right on. Yes. I'll throw these into sleeves, and then we will move on. Let's get that there. We'll set him up. Bam. These are so sparkly. Sparkly and new. Almost like a new car. All right, on to Series 2. Mojo pack. All right, empty box. Bam. First pack, Series 2. Welcome Bamal. Thanks for joining. I'll do a rookie recap at the end. First pack, Series 2. Ooh, we got a little sparkly one in there. Saw some green. Diamondbacks, Fletcher. Dustin May. Brandon Lowe. Sosa. Hatter. Tigers. Lepicius. Rays Junior Caminero. Abreu. Ty France. Here's our sparkly one. It is the Blue Jays team photo. It is numbered 152 of 499. Matthew Liberatore. Rice. Right on. This is our, third numbered card of the night. Third numbered card. Alright. I forgot to say this, but let's say a little prayer to the card gods. Get something good for everyone. Nick Lofton. Rookie to start us off. Moreno. Jackson Rutledge. We got Noelvi Mart. Astros. Cody Funderburk. Daddy Yankee, first pitch. Lone Depot Park in 2023. First pitch. Daddy Yankee. I'm sure that means something to someone. It means nothing to me. Cultural icon. Innovator and trailblazer. Alright, cool. Welcome to the card collecting world. Ronald Acuna for the Braves. Let's insert. That's fun. Cardinals team photo. And Gunnar Henderson. Gasolina. Really? Alright. I'll have to look that up. Sounds kind of funny, actually. Hunter Renfroe. Kyle Hurt. Toglia. Siri. Stays dangerous. Dodgers lineup. Well, sure. Drew Rom for the Cardinals. Cabrera. DJ Stewart. JD Martinez. Matt Chapman to end that pack. Alright, we got a rookie to start us off. Basabe. Drury. Kershaw. Alex Cobb. Spencer Steer. Mason Wynn for the Cardinals. That's been one people have been looking for. James Outman. Got Around the Horn. Oh my gosh, what a throwback. Eddie Murray. First baseman. 20-year career from an award winner from 82 to 84. I don't know if I'm the only one that reads the back of cards, but I actually do like that. I like little fun facts. Brian Reynolds, Pirates, and Victor Vodnik, rookie for the Rockies. Dylan Carlson. Parker Meadows, Tigers rookie. Ashcraft. Sorry, I just had to say Ashcraft twice. Heston Kjerstad for the Orioles, rookie. That's a good card. Lyson Richardson. Evan Phillips for the Dodgers. Jacob Lopez for the Rays. Ozzie Albies. Blackman. And Rosario. What other teams are out there that we're looking for? I've got the Brewers and the Braves. A couple people have joined since then. Oh, yeah, Kyle Higashioka. Really awesome first name for a Japanese last name. Tristan Gray for the Rays. Rookie. McCullers. Gilbert. Irving Lopez, Cardinals. Rangers, team photo. Nationals, team photo. They're going to town. All-Stars, throwback. It's even got the high gloss on there. 1989 to 19. All right, right on. What a great insert. Jong-Hung Lee for the Giants, rookie. Manuel Rivera to finish us off. Kevin Paris, rookie for the Angels. Not a lot of Angel rookies tonight. Marco Gonzalez for the Pirates. Lucas Sims. Johan Mercado. Garcia. Josh Jung. Slade Sassoni. McKinnon. We got a Juan Soto. American League for the Yankees. Man, I saw an interview with him. He has such a great attitude and all around great personality. Tyler Cropley. Can't say enough good things about him. Just as a person. I mean, unless, you know, that's his persona in his interviews, but that's the only part of him I know, so. Drew Milas, Nationals. Prado. Urias. Joe Boyle for the Athletics. Connor Phillips. Brenton Doyle. Bellinger. Oakland Athletics team photo. James McKinn. Home Run Challenge with Corbin Carroll of the Diamondbacks. Jason Hayward. Is he related to Cam Hayward? I've never looked that up. Shane McClanahan to finish off that pack. Jordan Lawler, Diamondbacks, rookie. Radiant. Bogarts, Rutledge, Siri. Seen a couple of these already tonight. Dodgers lineup stays strong. We saw him already. Drew Rom, rookie. Oh. We have our rainbow foil. Carlos Carsock. What? Not familiar with that one. It's a new one to me. Haneker. And Calvin for the Angels. Let's go. We have a nice stack of rookies for everyone tonight. We'll go through those later. Wade Meckler. Jeff McNeil. Manny Machado. Lindor. Cubs. Pablo Lopez. Arizona Diamondbacks team photo. We got Bryce Harper for the Phillies. fantasy favorites. I don't know why I stopped to put that in a penny sleeve, but I did, so there you have it. Why not? Colin Selby for the Pirates. Anthony Rendon. Thinking ahead already, because inserts get penny sleeves, so why not? Let's do it. Jordan Diaz. Oh. Future stars Nolan Gorman. Baltimore Brotherhood for the Orioles. Phillies dynamic duo. Matthew Batten for the Padres. Blake Snell for the Padres. Tyler Fitzgerald for the Giants. We got All-Star American League Mike Trout on the throwback. James MacArthur for the Royals. And Schreiber to finish us off. Rangers team photo. Wow. Carson Spears, Reds rookie. Miguel Rojas. We've got an Angels on the gold frame. 1757 out of 2024. Get that numbered card in a penny sleeve. We got a numbered card behind it. Freddie Freeman. It's number 20 out of 299. Turn it over. This is that Cities to Cities one, right? No. Except it's as a foil. Freddie Freeman for the Dodgers. We're on a roll. Alright, that finishes off that pack. Onward. Oswaldo Cabrera to start us off. Brian Bello, Future Stars. Adam Duvall. Weston Wilson for the Phillies. Orion Kirkring for the Phillies. That's it, 2 Phillies back to back. Brubaker for the Pirates. We got Luke Little, Cubs rookie. Oh, we got a Henry Davis. City to City rookie card. This one is not as cool. It is not a... Let's see, what is the difference? One is shinier than the other, but they're both kind of shiny. Is this like... Oh, it's black up here. I got it. Okay. Nice. Nice. Reno and Anderson to finish us off. Yeah, isn't that? Oh well. That's the only thing that I can find that was differentiating the two, was the black on the city. Luis Garcia. Cleveland Guardians team photo. Got a lot of team photos. Prior teammates reunite. Taylor Walls. Got JP Martinez for the Braves. Angels. Carlos Estevez. Daniel Lynch. Braves, Spencer Strider on the throwback. John McMillan, Royals, rookie. And Iglesias for the Braves is going to finish this off. Kyle Farmer. Twins team photo. Jose Alvarado. National League Superstar Greeting. Mike Trout and Bobby Witt Jr. Austin Wells for the Yankees. That's a good one. Ryan Noda. And Bryce Harper covering the field. Yeah, this is the one that I said looked like pepperoni. I don't know why. It's green with red dots. I don't know where my mind is sometimes. I've never seen green pepperoni, thankfully. I don't know, maybe you have. Giants team photo and Yan Gomez for the Cubs. Getting a hug. Alright, we've got 5 packs left. I hope we pull out another auto. That would be amazing. Bryce Terang for the Brewers. For the Braves, Forrest Wall, rookie card. Twins. Motivated in Minnesota. Best of the best. Second one of those. Francisco Alvarez on the future. Brandon Williamson. Kyle Harrison for the Giants. Ooh. Gavin Sheets. Blue Jays, Manoah to finish this off. This pack feels thick. Carlos Correa. Yeah, I think we have a memorabilia card here. Chicago White Sox team photo. Giants, Bailey Bath. Go to the back. Future Stars, Ezequiel Tovar. LeMahieu for the Yankees. Oh, all right, we're there. Padres, Yu Darvish. And for our memorabilia card, what do we have? Luis Arias. Haha, for the Brew Crew. Look at this. We're getting all kinds of good stuff for the Brewers. And I missed a card. Phillies, Garrett Staubs. Nice. I love that blue. It's a really good looking blue. Get you a sleeve here. All right. So what's the story behind Brew Crew? Brew Crew. Put him back here. Three more packs. That is a nice surprise. The Brewers have a rookie mojo and a nice blue patch back there. That's a really pretty blue too. Anthony Santander starts us off on our third to the last pack. Yoshinobu Yamamoto, Dodgers. He had a great night. Marcus Stromer, the other day, not recently that I can recall. Taj Bradley. Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers on the throwback. Roman Gonzalez, White Sox, and to finish off the pack is Matt Strom. Ooh, got excited. I hit the phone. Don't throw the phone. Hey guys, Austin Riley for the Braves starts us off. Josh Bell, Scherzer, Rutherford, Blake Rutherford for the Nationals. Entry, Pittsburgh Pirates team photo. Michael Bosch on the Future Stars. Jeremy Pena. We got Kyle Schwarber. Oh, it's your hometown team? That's awesome. It's got a little memorabilia from your hometown. I love it. Phillies. Insert. Alan Winans for the Braves. And another Braves. Travis d'Arnaud. Nod? I don't know if I've seen that card before. That's a pretty cool card too. It's not a rookie, but it's still a pretty cool card. Alright, last pack for Series 2 outside of the Mojo pack. We'll get there. Slith, Lux, Zuna, Duran, Allen. A Royal Steven Cruz. Why was he flipped? There is no reason. Kerry Carpenter. We have a rainbow foil for the Dodgers, Joe Kelly. Corbin Burns for the Orioles. And the last card of the pack, Yusei Kikuchi. I just made up a name. I do that sometimes, don't worry. It's not abnormal. I do that. Oh no. Alrighty, so let's get this Mojo pack over. Let's go. Cardinals, Sonny Gray. Orioles, Gunnar Henderson. Pete Crow Armstrong. Rookie for the Cubs. Love it. Yankees, Mariano Rivera. And that is it for the Mojos. Nice. Alright folks, we'll do a little recap of the rookies and the numbered cards. Won't be going through all of the inserts, but we'll start with the rookies first. Are you ready? We have a lot. We'll split the deck. I'm glad you have some good cards here. This has been a nice pull, actually. I've enjoyed seeing some of the new players, or the new cards for the players. Alright, we'll start off with the Royals, Steven Cruz. Alan Winans for the Braves. Blake Rutherford. Yoshinobu Yamamoto, Dodgers. Kyle Harrison. Forrest Wall. Austin Wells for the Yankees. John McMillan. JP Martinez for the Braves. I like that. Hey, it was nice to meet you, Blaze. I hope we get to see you again. And thanks for having a great evening with me. Luke Little for the Cubs. Kirk Ring. Weston Wilson. Carson Spears. James MacArthur. Tyler Fitzgerald. Colin Selby. Wade Meckler. You know what I'm upset about is Paul Skeens. I haven't seen his card. I don't think it's in the top Series 2, and you would think it would be. Drew Rom. Jordan Lawler. Connor Phillips. Joe Boyle. Drew Milas. Tyler Cropley, Slade Sassoni, Kyron Paris, Ju-Hong Lee, Irving Lopez, Tristan Gray, Jacob Lopez, Leon Richardson, Heston Kjerstad, one and only card that I pulled for him, Parker Meadows, Victor Vodnik, Mason Wynn, Basabe, Drew Rom, Kyle Hurt, Cody Fenderbrook, Mart, Rutledge, Lofton, Caminero, and Lipsius. Cade Marlowe, Trey Cabbage, Canzone, Wynn, Hartwig, Waldron, Henry Davis for the Pirates, Balazovic, Spencer Horowitz, Zach Remillard, Tyler Soderstrom, Brandon Walter, Sam Taylor, and Henry Davis again, Christian Anarcio Strand, Jose Furman, Justin Martinez, straighten them up, Evan Carter, Jordan Westberg, Ferrer, Joe Jacques Soderstrom, Jordan Westberg, Ronnie Mauricio, Lucan Baker, Curtis Mead, Sedane Raffaella, Jose Soranio, Davis Schneider, Luis Matos, Alec Marsh, Johan Rojas, Brian Wu, Emerson Hancock, Brendan White, Sal Frelick for the Brewers, Jacob Amaya, Marlins, Gavin Williams, Andrew Abbott for the Reds. We didn't pull any Ellie either. Victor Medeiros, Marco Luciano, and Nick Robertson, and Dominic Canzone. Those are our rookies for our numbered cards. Whoop. I did it again. Yeah, Freddie Freeman, Toronto Blue Jays, on this cool psychedelic green. It is numbered 152 out of 499. Sorry, I'll go back to this. Number 20 out of 299 for the Freddie Freeman. Jordan Balazovic, 91 out of 99. Braves Ronald Acuna is out of 2024. The gold frame 627. Angels Chase Silseth 1757 out of 2024. I'm trying to talk too fast. I need to slow down when it comes to those longer names. Gunnar Henderson on the Mojo. Not Sonny Gray on the Mojo. Pete Crow Armstrong. Mariano Rivera. From Series 1, we had Mark McGwire. Shohei Ohtani in the Angels uniform. Ryan Sandberg for the Cubs. Now the Brewers, Sal Frelick. Our auto of the night is Emerson Hancock for the Mariners, rookie auto. And our patch card, Luis Arias for the Brewers. I really appreciate you all for joining. Thank you so much. And please give us a like and a subscribe if you're on YouTube later. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye. Thank you, David. I'm so glad you joined us. I didn't quite leave yet. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see in the future. I love suggestions for boxes and what kind of breaks you all would like to see. Anything to get you all participating and have a good time. See you again next time. Bye.